Statistics offers you a systematic approach to the study of your data. But what is data? Well, it's just the raw facts that we collect about some population variable. Let me give you an example. Let's say we are studying rodeo cowboys, and there's this rodeo cowboy, rodeo Jim, and we have these variables about Jim, and we're asking questions. How long did he stay on the bull? 3.82 seconds. Did he have dessert last night? Yes. How often does he go out on his bicycle in a typical week? 4.6 times. Once we have the data, there's really two things that we're going to do with it. First, we may just understand the world better. In this case, we understand Jim better. Second, we may use the data and convert it to an ability to make informed decisions. And hopefully we are better decision makers because of our sophisticated analysis of our data.